Hello my fellow Philomaths, and on this video it is a clarification and a changing of the structure of my videos. Roll intro. YouTube! Okay, so I've done a lot of thinking while studying how to shoot these YouTube videos, and I realized that to shoot YouTube videos about how to shoot YouTube videos while learning to shoot YouTube videos is probably not the most efficient way to do things. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try and make this video beautiful, because I'm going to make some mess ups, I'm going to speak differently, so I'm going to learn the ideas of jump cuts. I'm going to try and figure out transitions. I'm going to make this video beautiful. At least I'm going to try to. So that's the opinion. And then from there, I'm going to move on to a small skill, and I'll start building up my knowledge of how to edit videos while learning other skills, which is the goal. The goal is to learn skills, to shoot YouTube videos, and to create a beautiful thing. Just like this beautiful mountain behind me. Where is it? Man, this face tracking software on the DJI is actually pretty damn good. But, so what I'm trying to do for this video is I'm going to show I know the basics of, well, shooting videos. So I'm going to learn the jump cuts, I'm going to learn how to speak a little better, I'm going to learn how to do the things I need to do. So jump cuts, audio editing, and working out all the stuff that I need to do to make this video beautiful. And then next week I'm going to start on a different skill. I'm thinking Rubik's Cubes, because it's small and easy to work with. From there, we'll see what happens. But thank you for being patient, and please like, subscribe, comment, and please tell me what would make these videos better, because I really need to know, and any help is much appreciated. And then hopefully in a year or two, after staying on the cutting edge of learning how to shoot videos and editing videos and all that, I'll actually do a how-to video of how to YouTube, and then from there, hopefully I will be better.